For things stand in ordinary time, the Lord appoints and sends. Pope Francis shows what the mission of evangelization means for the Church today. Jesus himself is the model of this method of evangelization, which brings us to the very heart of his people. Moved by his example, we want to enter fully into the fabric of society, sharing the lives of all, listening to their concerns, helping them materially and spiritually in their needs, rejoicing with those who rejoice, weeping with those who weep. Arm in arm with others, we are committed to building a new world, but we do not so not from a sense of obligation, not as a burdensome duty, but as the result of a personal decision which brings us joy and gives meaning to our lives. Please like and subscribe.